In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize Help Scout Docs branding. By the end, your Docs site will feel cohesive, recognizable, and aligned with your brand's look and tone. Start by opening your Docs site settings in Help Scout. From the main dashboard, head to Manage, then choose Docs, and select the Docs site you want to customize. This is your control center for everything related to branding and presentation. Let's begin with your branding assets. Upload your logo so it appears consistently across your Docs pages. A clean, high-resolution file, often a PNG with a transparent background, works best. Make sure the logo is readable against your header color and consider how it looks at smaller sizes. Next, customize your favicon and touch icon. The favicon is the tiny image in the Browser tab, while the touch icon appears when someone saves your site to a mobile home screen. Use a simple square image so it remains clear even at very small sizes. Now move into Colors, where you'll apply your brand palette. Set your page background first. A light, neutral background is easiest to read for long articles. Choose a header background that balances your logo and keeps navigation clear. For navigation link text, pick a color that contrasts well with the header so links are always legible. Set a distinct active navigation link color to help visitors understand where they are in the site structure. Inside articles, choose a link color that stands out from body text but still fits your brand. Finally, set the article text color for maximum readability. Dark text on a light background usually offers the best accessibility. If you have specific brand hex codes, this is the place to use them for consistency. Next, refine your site information. The homepage URL controls where your logo links when someone clicks it. You can keep visitors within your docs or send them to your main website. Choose what's most intuitive for your audience. Add a site description and a meta description. The site description appears on your Docs homepage, while the meta description shows in search results. Keep this copy concise, descriptive, and helpful, highlighting what readers can expect to find. Lastly, pick your homepage layout. If you have a structured knowledge base, showing categories first helps people browse. If your audience often looks for quick answers, most popular articles can surface helpful content fast. That's it. With your assets, colors, and site information set, your Help Scout Docs will look polished, on-brand, and easy to navigate. Test your choices on desktop and mobile, confirm readability, and you're good to go.